All right, let's solve a couple problems using estimation. Now, when we talk about using estimation, that's generally because we are rounding. So think about real world times when you might do this. If you're going to the grocery store and you only have a $20 bill in your pocket, you might estimate the value of how much things cost so that you know, okay, I'm buying these 8 things and nothing more because I'm estimating that I've hit my $20 limit. So we generally will round to do that. So let's jump in and look at this. Hey, look at Corey going to the grocery. So Corey went to the grocery where he bought cheese for $2.67, turkey for $4.98, bread for $1.29, and a soda for $1.79. Estimate how much Corey will spend by rounding each item to the nearest dollar. Okay, so think about this. We've got cheese for $2.67, turkey for $4.98, bread for $1.29, and soda for $1.79. Now the directions say round everything to the nearest dollar. And you can imagine if you're in the grocery store, rounding to the nearest dollar is going to be a whole lot easier than say like to the nearest 10-cent kind of a thing. So $2.67 will round to $3 because we look at that one place past the decimal. 6 tells us to round up. In our turkey, the 9 tells us to round up. So we are at $5 there. $1.29 will round down to $1, and $1.79 will round up to 2. So now I can add these numbers, 3 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2, and I'm at roughly $11. So we would estimate that Corey is going to spend $11 on his groceries. Now let's look at the next one. Kylie's bills for January were heating was $117.43, electricity $62.97, a cell phone bill of $74.32, internet of $38.99, and video streaming for $14.99. Estimate her bills by first rounding each value to the nearest $10. Okay, so first let's look at each. I'm going to run out of room. $62.97, $74.32. I'll just go over here. $38.99 and $14.99. Okay, now if we're talking about nearest $10, okay, so one place is dollar, and then we're getting to the 10. So this is the $10 spot here. So that means we will look one place past. So that 7 is what we're looking. We're looking at the $1 mark, and then we're going to round up. So that 7 tells us to round up. So our heating bill is going to round to $120. Electricity, we're looking at the 1 spot again, 2 rounds down. So that's going to round to 60. 74 is going to round down, so that's 70. 38, we look at that 8 rounds up, so that's 40. And 4 rounds down, so we're looking at 10. Now you might be thinking, well, Becky, we round 3 of those down and only 2 up, so this is maybe an underestimate. And maybe, but the whole point of estimating is to be close, right? That's the goal. So we're going to add these 5 numbers together. 120 plus 70 plus 10 is 200 plus 60 plus 40. Comes out nicely to $300. So we would estimate Kylie's monthly bills here are estimated to be right around $300. And again, that might be slightly under, could be slightly over. Either way, we are talking just a rough estimate, so we have a ballpark figure of what that's going to look like. And that is playing with estimation.